Hello class, and welcome to week 3. Chapter 1 provided an historical overview of the way many of our basic criminal procedures developed, first from English common law, then out of our American experience. For this week's lesson, see Module Week 3, Chapter 2. This chapter complements the overview of Chapter 1 by explaining a number of basic legal concepts in the application of criminal procedures. You will become familiar with types of crime, substantive law, procedural law, statutory, and case law. You'll also become familiar with the social contract. And last but not least, the USA Patriot Act of 2001. For now, that's all she wrote.